Hello, my fun Ashanti Twi lovers. Hope our lessons are getting interesting. Last week we learned how to say sorry, kafra. Today we will learn how to say I'm coming right now. I'm coming. Mereba. I'm coming. Mereba. I'm coming right now. Mereba sisiye. I'm coming right now. Mereba sisiara. I'm coming. Mereba. Meba. Mereba. Meba. I'm coming right now. Meba sisiara. Mereba sisiara. Meba sisiara. Now, assuming you want to tell somebody to wait for you or you'll be with the person within a jiffy of time, I'll be with you right now. Mereba sisiya. Mereba sisiya. Meba sisiya. You know, the written language is different from the spoken language. Meba, meaning the spoken language. Meba. Mereba is the written one. Meba. Meba sisiye. Mereba sisiyara. Hope you have got it. Thank you. And remember, coming Saturday, 11:30 a.m., that is US time. Be with us on our Zoom lessons. Bye.